How can you hoop a bath towel and not have this much hoop burn? Ew! Keep watching and learn how. But first, my intro. Okay, so here we have a towel with quite a bit of hoop burn. You can see it quite clearly here. And I'm going to show you guys how quickly you can get rid of it as well. But for now, I'm going to mark it so we remember where it is, because I'm going to show you guys that it's perfect. So I've got my 4x4 hoop from my multi-needle machine, my Brother PR1000E. And I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to hoop with minimal hoop burn. Now, for this one, I pushed really hard. It was kind of difficult to do, but I'm going to show you how to make it easy. So, okay, first thing you want to do is loosen your hoop. Just a fair amount. You want to have some space. See how I have space in there? And we're going to use tearaway stabilizer. That's what you use on towels. Now you want to put the bottom part of the hoop with the screws so that you can easily get at them. So put that underneath, put our tearaway over top. And remember, I've loosened everything up. Now your hoop should pop right in. What causes the hoop burn is the friction point right here. You're compressing the fabric too much, and when you're sliding it down, you're compressing it right here, and you get marks like this. So that is not quite what I wanted, so I'm going to make it a little bit looser. Couple of turns. I'm gonna place my tearaway again, and you can see this towel is really sensitive and is gonna leave marks. And then we are going to gently hoop it. It shouldn't be a workout. Hooping should be easy to do. And that is still too tight, so my guesstimates are a little bit off. This is a really thick towel too. So I'm gonna loosen it right up. Don't ever loosen it further than the screw there. Make sure we don't want it to fall apart. Now let's try this to set it in. So it might take a few times, but you know, if you're doing a whole bunch of these towels, it would be good to have it set and you're done, sort of thing. So push a little bit. Push a little bit. Now that was probably too tight. I could hear it go in, and we have a little bit of marking. So I'm going to loosen it again. And don't worry, you'll get, I haven't done towels for a while, so I'm a little bit off on it. So let's try that again. We want it nice and loose. Flatten it out, put the top part in, and put your hands here. This helps a lot with hooping. And you want it to slide right in like that. That was absolutely perfect. And you can see it's done nicely. Now that it's hooped, I'm going to tighten the screw. And this is going to reduce your hoop burn quite a bit. You're ready to go. So, I mean, there is a little bit of a hoop burn. Sometimes if you just fluff it up like that, you can hardly see it. That'll come out. It is not as severe as the first one that I did. See how it's all bent down there? Now that one, even if you scrape it up like that, it won't work. What you need for this side is steam. So a little bit of water will rejuvenate the hoop burn and it won't burn anymore. So you could see that there's quite a difference between that one and that one. So it just takes a minute of loosening the hoops and finding it so it slides right in, and then tighten it up a little bit. Now this is a multi-needle hoop. You can do this with any hoops. It works with anything. So I'm going to pull out McDreamy's hoop, and his hoop's a little bit differently. So again with the tearaway, and I'm going to set it up so if you have your Target sticker right here, You have your target sticker. You can, guesstimate everything. I'm going to loosen McDreamy's hoop and stabilizer, and see, I can feel where the hoop is. I just gently push so I know where I'm aiming at. Now this hoop is thinner, so you do have to be a little more careful. Put the top part in and then put it down. See, now that's a bit tight. Remember, it's not a workout. This is the thickest towel that I could find, so that's why I'm having, to do it a couple times, but that's okay. Now look, it just slid in. Shall I do that again? It just literally just slid in. No effort whatsoever. Just a little pop in and it's there all the way. And then I'm gonna tighten it up because we do want it a little bit tighter. You don't have to go crazy with this part. And now we have the towel hooped and ready to go on McDreamy. And when you're done, pop it out and you have the same, little bit of hoop burn, but not, devastating. And again, you can get it out with a little bit of steam or water and a steam iron, and it'll be gone. But you can see that's pretty much out of there. That's pretty much gone. I like it much better than the first one that we did. That's kind of deep right here. So that's how you hoop thick towels so you don't have any hoop burn. I am gonna go and fix this one, and I'll show you how completely we can take this out. So let me go do that and I'll come back. Remember the sticker. Okay, there you have it. Steam, little bit of water, no more hoop burn. Let me lay it out here. You really can't see it, and it was an easy fix. So let me explain my bottle. This is an old hairspray bottle, but it does a very, very light mist. So it doesn't take very long to dry, and it's really nice. You see the light mist? And if you guys noticed, most of it was gone when I first sprayed it. So hooping, getting rid of hoop burn, avoiding hoop burn. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys will keep hooping towels and doing really nice designs on towels. It's fantastic. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!